Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Stories and another video of Onam Special Payasam Series. Today we are going to prepare Kerala's traditional Paal Payasam. We will take a big vessel and heat it on high flame. Once it is hot enough, we will add around 1 liter of water into it. Now we will add 1 liter of milk to this boiling water. Stir continuously in shorter intervals. As soon as milk starts boiling, we will add 1 tablespoon of ghee into it. Mix well and keep on stirring it. We will cook this for around 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Now we will add around 100 grams of washed raw rice, commonly known as Unakkalari in Kerala, which is used in the traditional way of preparation. But you can use any other rice as well. We will have to keep on stirring it and cook it till rice is soft and done well. Now rice is soft and is cooked well. We will add around 200 grams of sugar into it. We will cook this till milk becomes half the quantity. Keep on stirring in between. Our milk is now reduced to half. In traditional payasam, cashews are not used, but if you like the flavor of cashews, you can roast it in ghee and add it into the payasam. Give it a good stir. Finally, add 2 or 3 Tulsi leaves. Switch off the flame and close the lid. This is one of the most traditional payasams prepared across Kerala, which is very simple yet delicious. So do try this at home. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.